Hi everyone, back in teaching ASL again. And first thing first, I want to explain, I am not professional or certified interpreter or a teacher. I'm not full 100% actual sign, but these sign what I know. That's it. There's some new signs that I don't know of, and there's different signs all over the world. So I'm still learning like you guys, okay? So bear with me. So today I'm going to be teaching some signs about holidays, okay? The first word, holiday. 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 Like use 3 finger on your chest. Holiday. Christmas is a C. Use your arm. Go Christmas. And tree too, like this. Light. This light is like a little 8 sign, so like flicking you, like flicking you. Hey, flick. So light. Snow. It's like your hand, 5 hands. Goes moving like a little floating down. What else? Snowman. Man. From here to down. Santa. It's a little claw hand to Santa. Reindeer. I don't know if you can see me very good, but I'm gonna put that down. Reindeer. Reindeer. 5 hand. Reindeer. Jesus. Like a little middle finger down. And hit your palm. Jesus. Jesus. Angel is your hand. Angel. Angel. I don't know if you can see the other side. Angel. Elf. It's like an L. Elf by your ears. I'm gonna ask my daughter over here if she can help me out here. What's the next word I need to do?
What about November?
November. Oh, December. So I'm gonna do the calendar. So right now it's September. So you spell it S-E-P-T. September. I'm gonna do it again before I forget. So S, like a shape, as a fish. E, and then P, like a little, doop, put it down. And then T, September. Next word, October. O-C-T. O-C-T. October. The next is November. N-O-V. N-O-V. And it's like a 2 little finger. N-O-V. O-V. December is D. A lot of people keep signing D. That's wrong. And D, that's wrong. Your D is your index finger up. Remember that. Index finger. I'm not saying it right. It's index finger. You see this finger? That goes up. Not this. not this, the index finger. And then you make a little shape like an O, And you bring your index finger up. So D. Yeah, I know. D. And then E again. E, whatever. C. D December. D-E-C. D-E-C. D. Remember the index finger up. E-D. Okay. New Year. This one a little trickier because it's gonna be your hand, like a scooping your hand out. New, and then S, year. New Year. What else? Thanksgiving. There's many different signs for this one. The one I sign is a G. Going down, it's Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving. Or Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving. I don't know the other sign for it, but that's the only two I know. Turkey. Turkey. Like a G. Put it down. Turkey. Gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble, gobble.
I can't remember the gobbles.
Oh, Indian? We don't sign Indian anymore. We sign Indian. Indian or Native American. Why I said Indian for? Anyway, Native American. This is the other way, like a S on the top of your hand. Indian, Native American, and Native American. There's two different things you can do. The most I see common is this one. What else? Halloween. There's many different things for that one. It's Halloween, like a little curved hand. Halloween, or Halloween. And I don't know what the other one is. Halloween, I think? No. Halloween is like a raccoon. Raccoon, Halloween, and Halloween. This is a mask. So Halloween. I'm thinking. Oh, pumpkin. Do your S and your 8. And you hit your hand. Pumpkin. Family. Okay, this one I can do. It's a little app. You put your 3 little fingers. Make a little O. Like a little pokey. Or a little thin punch your luck. Kind of thing. Yeah. So this and this. So you do the circle. Family. Okay? Oh, fall. 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 Or autumn. Both the same thing. Fall. Autumn. Winter. Is winter or winter? No, winter. That's weather. Stupid me. Winter. Like your ass, you go like, I'm cold. Winter.
Yeah, that's right.
She's over there. What's the next word?
Like March? March?
That's later. Oh, Happy Hanukkah. Hanukkah. It's like 4 fingers. You do it together like a little candle thing. Hanukkah. Hanukkah. I'm not sure that's the right sign, but that's what I know. What else? Present. You do your index finger. Bend it. Present. Present. I'm sorry I'm thinking too much because I keep forgetting some of the words. So I'm looking at the Google here trying to figure out what the next word. Ornament, like a O and a hook. Ornament. Or I don't know the sign for it. Sorry. Peace. Candle. Your hand and your index finger goes right here. And we go these fingers up here. Candles. I think that's all I can think of right now. If I missed any word, comment down below and I will make another video and explain more about those words, okay? I forgot. I'm not thinking clearly today, so I'm sorry. So there's more videos of fun activity going to be in the different category. This one is going to be the ASL American Sign Language on the other category. So if you want to learn sign language, please click American Sign Language playlist. I think that's the right area. Click there, they'll have a list of signing in there. I'm still fixing my YouTube channel a little bit to fix it, to organize all the signs in one category and the other one fun activity in the other category. I'm still fixing. I have like over 500 videos on there. You're welcome to watch all of them if you want. Up to you. They're all old. Old videos from 2011. Mimi! Shh. In 2011, I think, around there, to now. So, you don't have to watch the old one. It's up to you. Have fun. So, thank you for watching, and thank you for learning American Sign Language, ASL. My name is Lucinda. We go by Dark Fairy. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and pick like up. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And now I also have Snapchat now. So it's XLacy X Angel X09. If you wanna add me, go ahead. I'm gonna put it down on the bottom. And I'm gonna add that, okay? Thank you for watching. Love you.